Imagine making money while AI does the work for you. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's happening right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your own AI automation agency, even if you have zero experience. From automating customer support to running entire marketing campaigns, AI is transforming businesses. And guess what? Companies are willing to pay you to set this up for them. But wait, you might be thinking, I don't know coding. I have no experience with AI. How do I even find clients? Good news, you don't need any of that. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step roadmap to start and grow your AI automation agency without writing a single line of code. So, stick with me, grab a notebook, and let's dive in. Now, before we dive into building your agency, let's get crystal clear on what an AI automation agency actually is. AI automation is all about using artificial intelligence to handle repetitive tasks, saving businesses time and money. Instead of hiring people for these tasks, AI does it faster, smarter, and cheaper. What does an AI automation agency do? An AI automation agency helps businesses implement AI-powered solutions to automate their operations. That could mean setting up AI chatbots for customer support, automating email marketing and lead generation using AI to optimize sales and CRM systems, building AI-powered content creation and social media automation, streamlining business processes with AI workflow tools like Zapier, Make, and OpenAI. Businesses are actively looking for AI solutions but don't know how to implement them, and that's where you come in. As an AI automation agency, you're not just selling a service. You're selling efficiency, growth, and cost savings, and companies are willing to pay big for that. All right, now that you know what an AI automation agency does, let's talk about one of the most important decisions: choosing your niche. Why? Because trying to serve everyone is a recipe for failure. The key to success is specializing in a high-demand niche where businesses are already looking for AI solutions. Think about industries where automation can make a big impact. Here are some of the hottest niches right now: e-commerce, AI chatbots, automated upselling, AI-powered product recommendations, real estate, AI lead generation, automated property listings, chatbot assistance, healthcare, AI-powered appointment scheduling, virtual health assistants, customer support, AI chatbots, ticket automation, sentiment analysis, marketing and sales, AI email automation, AI ad targeting, CRM automation, travel and hospitality, AI travel assistance, automated booking systems. Pick one of these or another industry where AI can solve real problems. How do you know if your niche is profitable? Simple. Look for businesses already paying for automation. Do a quick search on Google and LinkedIn. Are businesses hiring for AI automation roles? Are they using tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, Jasper AI? Are agencies already offering similar services? That's a good sign. If businesses are spending money on AI, that means there's demand. Your niche should align with your skills and interests. Ask yourself, do I understand this industry? Can I explain AI automation to business owners here? Do I have experience or interest in solving problems in this space? Don't overthink it. Pick a niche, test it, and refine your approach as you go. Specializing will make you stand out and attract high-paying clients much faster. Now that you've picked your niche, let's talk about the AI tools that will power your automation agency. These tools will help you set up AI-driven solutions for your clients without needing to code. I'll break them down into different categories so you know exactly what to use for each service. Chatbots are one of the easiest ways to help businesses automate customer support, lead generation, and sales. Here are the best ones you can use. ChatGPT API. Use OpenAI's chatbot to build AI-powered assistants for websites and businesses. ManyChat. Great for Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp automation. TDO, best for e-commerce stores, integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce. Drift, AI chatbot designed for B2B sales and lead qualification. These bots help businesses reduce response time and improve customer experience. If your niche is marketing, these AI tools will save your clients time and money by automating lead generation and content creation. HubSpot AI, AI-powered CRM and email marketing automation. Jasper AI writes high-converting marketing copy, blogs, and ads. AdCreative.ai automates ad creatives for Facebook, Google, and Instagram. Seventh Sense, AI-driven email optimization for higher open rates. These tools will help you connect apps and automate workflows so businesses can run on autopilot. Zapier connects 5,000 plus apps to automate tasks. Make, formerly Integromat, advanced automation builder for complex workflows. Bubble.io, no-code AI app builder, great for custom solutions. If your niche involves analytics and decision-making, these tools can provide insights in seconds. MonkeyLearn, AI-powered text and sentiment analysis. ChatGPT code interpreter. Processes complex data and generates instant reports. Tableau AI, AI-driven data visualization and business intelligence. Don't try to learn every tool. Pick 2 to 3 that fit your niche and master them. The more skilled you are, the easier it'll be to get high-paying clients. Now that you know the essential AI tools, it's time to set up your AI automation agency. This is where we turn your idea into a real business. I'll break it down into 3 simple steps: branding, online presence, and service packaging. Your agency name should be simple, professional, and relevant to AI and automation. Here are a few naming ideas. AI Automate Pro SmartFlow, AI GrowthBot AI. Once you have a name, design a clean, modern logo using free tools like Canva or hire a designer on Fiverr. Your website is your virtual office. It must look professional. Here's what you need: domain and hosting. Buy a domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy and use Webflow, WordPress, or Card for a clean website. Essential pages, homepage, clear, bold messaging about what you do. Services page, list your AI automation solutions, chatbots, lead gene, automation, etc. Portfolio, case studies. If you don't have real clients yet, show examples of how AI automation works in your niche. Contact page. Make it easy for clients to reach you. How do you price your services? Here are 3 models successful AI agencies use. One-time setup fee. Example: setting up a chatbot for $500 to $2,000 monthly subscription. Ongoing AI automation support, $100 to $500 per month. Custom packages, enterprise solutions for high-ticket clients, $5,000 plus. Now that your agency is set up, let's talk about the most important part: landing your first paying clients. Don't worry if you have no experience yet. I'll show you 3 proven ways to land your first paying client, even if you're starting from scratch. If you want fast results, go where businesses are already looking for AI automation services. Best platforms for AI automation services: Upwork. Search for AI automation, chatbot setup, or Zapier automation and apply to relevant jobs. Fiverr. Create a gig like "I will automate your business with AI tools." People Per Hour and Freelancer.com. Similar to Upwork, bid on AI-related projects. Pro tip: offer a lower price or a free mini service to get your first few reviews. Once you have testimonials, increase your rates. Many businesses don't even realize they need AI automation, so you have to educate them and pitch your solution. Step 1. Find the right businesses. Search for companies in your niche on LinkedIn, Google, or business directories. Look for businesses that rely on manual processes, e.g., customer service teams, lead gen agencies. Example: cold email template. Subject: automate your business and save. 10 plus hours per week. Hi, client's name. I noticed company name is growing fast. I help businesses like yours automate repetitive tasks with AI, saving time and boosting efficiency. For example, I recently helped similar business set up an AI chatbot that reduced customer support workload by 50%. I'd love to show you how this can work for your business too. Would you be open to a quick 10-minute chat this week? Best, your name. One of the easiest ways to get clients is to build relationships in the right places. Where to find potential clients: Facebook and LinkedIn groups. Join AI automation or small business growth groups and offer free advice. Reddit and Twitter, X, answer AI-related questions to establish yourself as an expert. Local business meetups and events. Many business owners have money but no tech knowledge? Help them. Host a short free training session on how I can automate your business and invite business owners. This builds trust and brings clients to you. Don't try everything at once. Pick one strategy and commit to it for 30 days. The first client is always the hardest, but once you get results, it becomes much easier. Now that you've landed your first clients, let's talk about how to scale your AI automation agency so you can handle more clients while working less. The key to growth? Automation, delegation, and high-value services. Let's break it down. If you're selling AI automation, your agency should run on automation too. Here's how you can streamline your workflow so you don't get stuck doing everything manually. Use AI for your own work. ChatGPT, Claude AI, automate emails, proposals, and client communication. Zapier, Make, connect tools to automate repetitive tasks. Trello, ClickUp, manage projects and client tasks efficiently. Example, instead of manually onboarding clients, create an automated workflow where when a client signs up on your website too, they receive an automatic welcome email with next steps 3. Their project is added to your task management system. This saves hours and keeps your agency running smoothly. As your agency grows, you can't do everything alone. Start hiring specialists to handle tasks you don't need to do yourself. Where to find AI specialists and freelancers? Upwork/Fiverr. Hire automation experts for chatbot setup, Zapier workflows, etc. onlinejobs.th/freelancer.com. Find affordable virtual assistants for admin work. TopTal if you need high-end AI developers for custom projects. If you want to scale fast, move beyond one-time projects and offer premium monthly retainers. Example, high-ticket AI automation packages. Basic plan, $500 per month. AI chatbot setup and basic automation pro plan, $1,500 per month. AI-powered marketing automation and lead gen enterprise plan, $5,000+ per month. Full AI workflow automation and custom AI solutions. Here's your game plan to scale. Automate client onboarding and workflows. Outsource low-value tasks so you can focus on growth offer premium, high-ticket automation services. The best AI agencies don't just sell automation, they sell business transformation. Focus on results, and your clients will happily pay more. And that's it. You now have the exact roadmap to start and scale your AI automation agency. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.